Hello guys, so in this video we'll be talking about how you can use AI to make your business more profitable and more scalable and more powerful. So if you're not aware of AI and not aware of using AI in your business so watch this video till the end. You will get some idea that how you can use AI in your business, whatever niches you are in. So number one is use AI powered e-commerce store. So there are many e-commerce stores that are using AI. They are using AI to write their content, write the description of their products, to make the images of their products and much more. They are also using AI to make their website also and promoting it also. So you can use AI to make your e-commerce store and start earning online. Number two is use AI to make successful blog and monetize your content. After the invention of ChatGPT, content writing seems very easy. There are also many tools like ChatGPT that can help you in content writing. Using them, you can write unique and useful content and paste them on your blog, and there you can monetize your content using Google AdSense or affiliate network also. So this is one of the best methods that I feel which will help you make money online. So number three is maximizing your ad revenue with AI powered advertising. So in the advertising, let's say you run Google campaigns or Facebook campaigns, you can use AI to get the data insights and much more. You can see which ads or which templates are making much more profit than other templates. Then you can also use AI to optimize those templates so that your cost per conversion will be less. Also, if you feel you don't have any advertising content, you can use AI to write copyright posts, and you can use Midjourney to make images so that you can use them on advertising. Number 4 is using AI for trading. In many fintech startups as well as some companies have started using AI for guessing the price of the stock and for intraday trading. You can also use AI just like startups like Take a Tip for making profit in stock market. Number 5 is using AI to create digital products and sell online. So the best example for this is Midjourney. Using Midjourney and DALL-E, you can create images which is unique and which is based on your observation. You can use those images and sell it on Fiverr, Upwork and many freelancing websites. Also, you can take some freelance work and make images using these AI tools. Also, you can write short stories using ChatGPT and convert them into ebook and sell it on Kindle or Gumroad, etc. So the number 6 is using AI for promoting your affiliate marketing business. See, affiliate marketing is all about content and how you put those content to your customers. So AI can help you improve your content and your copyright blogs, etc. You can write the interactive content using AI so that your customer get converted and use your affiliate link for their shopping. Also, AI can optimize your site health score so that your site will rank first on the Google and you will get more profit from them. So that's all from my side. If you like this video, then do hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you like more such type of content, then do hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.